Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome to the Cusp Adventurous. Alright, so I picked up the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is the first phone, pretty much the first phone I've ever bought myself that is brand new. Pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. 512 gigs of storage. And we're just gonna unbox it here on camera. Let's do this. Alright, first you gotta take off this little wrap. That was super satisfying. Alright, got the box here. Says iPhone on the side. Apple logo, iPhone. Personally, I like this box a lot better than last year's box. This is last year's box. If you're asking, what about the iPhone XS Max? Did you have that one? That was my dad's phone, but that was last year's box. I'm pretty sure the only last time they lasted black boxes like this is when they had the iPhone 5, which I happen to have the box right here. So we can just put these side by side. That's so cool. Alright, well, enough of the chit chat. Let's get into the box. Oh, that's super satisfying unboxing. Boom! Greeted right with the phone. Midnight green out here. Oh, it looks so weird in this lighting. Let's see what else we got in the box. And here we got startup guide, Apple stickers, you know, that good stuff. We got the extra fat charging brick right here for speed charging. Oh, USB Type-C. Got our little lightning port earbuds here. And we got our USB-C to lightning cable. Awesome. Alright, let's get the phone going. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. Leave comments down below what kind of videos you want to see with this new iPhone. Oh, this matte texture. Oh, there she goes. Let's take off the plastic right here. Okay. I'm gonna get the cable out. So this is coming up in a future video, but I really just want to put it on right now. Pretty much the super dope, super slim carbon fiber case that I got from Pitaka, or however you pronounce that. And yeah, let's put on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Fits extremely snugly. Alright, now I'm going to set up the iPhone.